I would say that we're a very friendly office, and we would come in, we can sit down and talk as a consult, see what you need, and then from there we can figure out, from there I could say you could figure out how to make them feel more comfortable in the chair, because you got a lot of people that come in here, they're very nervous and afraid. So meeting us and getting to know us, and as you get to know us, we also get to know your families as well, because we've got so many patients that have been coming here for many years, and we see the little ones have grown up to be wonderful teenagers, and that's just part of the asset of the office. I want to say that in order to have the person come in, you want to give your best presentation of the office, and they could see how we're all interacting. We joke around a lot. Dr. Overmyer is a very friendly person. He makes them feel at ease, and so does Dr. Jessica as well.